Hello, ho, ho. Yeah, we continue with HTML forms. Now, yeah, let's revisit our little site. This was our site we created last time, and yeah, when we send, we simply land on one side, and we can, yeah, simply change that by by using target in our form equals blank. Now again, save and W, and yeah, now we are if we click on ascend, we get a new tab. Now again, what could be? Yeah, let's again use copy that number of noses, and now let's say something like read only equals read only. Now again, our website has, we can't type anything here. I'm just trying to type anything, it won't work because this is a read only text field, pretty simple. Something, if I remember it correctly, is disabled. Disabled equals disabled. Works pretty much the same, but yeah, slightly different. And let me show you the difference. But now in the read-only, doing our HTML file, we can simply write something in the read-only file. This is now completely disabled. Yeah, it's completely you are completely unable to write in it. Yeah, simply you can see that because you can't even click on that. There's no possibility to write in this text field. But still, the first one, you can write anything, and because we set it to password, the input can't be read by the user. And because our method is post, you won't see the password if you clicked on send. Another things that are possible, sometimes you can even simply type something and he will, sometimes you will get cool suggestions, and if you are I can't pronounce it, suggestions, this is harder for a German to pronounce than Scribble, suggestions, okay. Max length, and yeah, if you type in something like 4, if you, for example, year of your birth. Now let's open the website. Max length, yeah, now we can only type in 4 characters. Last thing, yeah, this will be a rather short one, is autofocus. So let's do something, yeah, let's do the thing I already mentioned, year you were born in. Year of birth, come on. Year of birth, pretty much the same. Input type is, yeah, let's simply use text. And let's click on autofocus equals, I guess it was autofocus, or maybe not. 1 second. Okay, it was autofocus on. Now let's do a max length. Max length equals 4. And yeah, now we can type in the year of birth. And what means autofocus? We are already after reaching the website. The first thing it's like I already clicked on year of birth and are gonna type in something, so you don't have to choose any of the text fields by your cursor because year of birth is already chosen by default. Okay, that's it for today's video. Here you will now see a joke, today's joke, because it is a long time since I did any childish or bad jokes. So here, if I won't forget it, you'll see a joke. And apart from that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. I don't know, there won't be much more HTML video. Maybe this will be the last one. Maybe there are one or two more. I have to see what else I could cover. And yeah, with that in mind, have a nice day.